How to install DirectX 12 on Windows 11 and Windows 10. Currently DirectX 12 version is running and you can easily install and download in your system. And to do so, launch your Google Chrome browser or any browser, prefer browser. And here type DirectX download for Windows 11 and in Windows 10 both. Press enter and it will open in Microsoft DirectX End User Runtime Wave Installer. Click on it and here scroll down and DirectX End User Runtime Wave Installer, the Microsoft DirectX End User. Here select language and click on download to download DirectX version on your system. Currently 9.29.1974.1 version is available. So all your Microsoft DirectX specifications, system requirements, Windows Server 2008, Windows XP Service Pack 3, Windows Server 2003 Service Pack 1, Windows Server 2003 Service Pack 2, Windows 7, Windows XP Service Pack 2, Windows Vista. These are the supported operating system which supports DirectX version 9. Install instruction. Click on download as I have described earlier. Choose your language and click on download. After that, you will ask to save a location and choose language and click on download. To start the installation immediately, click open or run this program from its current location, and to copy the download to your computer for installation at a later time, click save. Additional information also available here. The DirectX End User installation includes some other feature will also available here. And for downloading DirectX version 11 and 12, the specification may be changed. So click on download and download DirectX on your system. Follow on screen instruction to complete the process.